6 practical steps for reaching your big dream. So you've decided you're ready to be a dreamer. You have a few things you'd like to accomplish, and you're tired of watching life pass you by without feeling like you have a purpose. What next? Follow these 6 steps to help you reach for your big dream. 1. Stop being afraid. Don't apologize, fear, or hesitate when it comes to your dreams. If Walt Disney could dream up a successful company with a mouse, you can reach your big dreams. Anything is possible, and if it hasn't been tried yet, it's your time to do it. 2. Make reasonable plans. To make big dreams happen, you'll have to make detailed plans to guide you. Thinking of an idea isn't enough to surmount it. You need to come up with a process that'll get you there. It's like planning a vacation to Hawaii without booking flights and hotel rooms. The end destination, in your case the goal, is essential, but even more important is the way you'll go about it. Set aside some time to plan it out. 3. Check your progress. If we have no way of measuring how we're doing, how will we ever get to our big goals? Start by checking your progress every week. Measure yourself against your goals, and when you're not up to speed with the progress you were hoping for, simply use this as fuel to work harder. 4. Ask for help. No one is successful by themselves. Read that again. No one builds an empire for themselves without help. No one makes a lot of money entirely on their own. No one loses weight and juggles work and parenting responsibilities without asking for support. Regardless of your walk of life or how self-sufficient you are, you will need help with your big goals. You don't need hand-holding every step of the way, but you'll need support. Start getting comfortable with asking for help because that's a key ingredient to your success. 5. Figure out how to stay motivated. Motivation is different for everyone. For you, it may come from jamming out to your favorite song. For someone else, it may mean reading an encouraging book. On your journey, notice what kinds of things fuel you, and then do those things more often to keep your motivation high. 6. Go for it. Sometimes you just have to go for it. Whatever it is you've been waiting for, there'll be a defining moment when you decide it's time. Listen to that, and when you're feeling ready to go attack your dreams, do it.